All right. We live? Are we? Hmm. I think we are. I think we are. Okay. So for today, I have only one goal, and this is to generate good looking sprites. So what my plan is, and let me remind you of it. Basically, I want to build a game. I have no experience in game dev at all. Asset creation, Blender, 3D or whatever, like music production, nothing, nada, zero. I'm an absolute noob. So I wanted to use this little tool called AI in order to help me build my game. And I kinda made a sidestep. I stopped my search for development and I focused on AI generation for now. And one of the most important things that I want to do is to generate good looking sprites or pixel art. So let's start. I need to do, where's my conf UI? cd conf UI. Right, so I'm here. Where can I move this window? Maybe here. So let me run. Do I have a virtual environment? I should have a virtual environment because I already ran this one time. I did run this one time, definitely. Let me just check it. Let me just make sure. Conf UI GitHub. And here it says the conf UI lets you design and execute advanced stable diffusion pipelines using a graph, nodes, flowchart based interface available of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Not what I want. Where are the here? Installing. I already have it installed. My question is how to run it. Yeah, it's only Python main py. Let me just make sure I have the virtual. Yeah, I have the virtual environment. So source when bin activate. We are running it, and then Python main py. Okay. So I have this. So these are my specs, my VRAM. Yeah, my graphics card, considering that it's a laptop one, maybe not the best one. I have a good amount of RAM though, so I hope this will be enough to run this. Oops. Yeah, we are here. Okay. I think I can close this window. Maybe it will also be somewhat slower because I'm also streaming at the same time. But let's see, call for 3D fix. Yeah, I already did this once, and if I run it, it's not gonna be, well, it's not gonna be the prettiest result. Yeah, it doesn't look it doesn't look exactly pretty. So most probably what I need to do is I need to download the proper models for this. But first, let me make sure all of the workflows and everything is set up correctly. I think it is. So how to install models? Tutorials. All right, let's do another thing before I decide to go full pixel. Before I decide to go full pixel art, I want to do a test. I need to let me do a test. I'm gonna download an anime model. I'm gonna do some anime prompting because this doesn't work. The model I'm using, whatever this is, pruned email only, not the best one. So I'm gonna need an anime model because I want to generate anime images. Technically, I don't have to do this because, wait, let me try to generate something. Colorful and happy anime girl outside. What else can I outside flower, long hair, day, sky, black hair, sunlight, blue sky. Let's see how this will work. I don't think it will. I don't think it will be the best thing. It might be decent, but I don't think it's gonna be. Yeah, it's not very open image. Yeah, it's broken. It's broken a lot. So I need to kind of improve on this. So how can I do this? How can I do this? How can I do this? I need to download the proper model. I need to put a proper model here. Okay. So I need to download a proper model, it seems. Realistic 3D render, photorealistic text, watermark, blurry. All right. I don't need any of these. Yeah, if anyone is watching this, basically, I'm learning how to generate AI assets in order to put them into my game. Maybe I should write this here as well. Generate good-looking sprites, pixel art, in order to use them in a video game. All right. Okay. So let me just do this. Yeah. So again, I'm using ConfUI. ConfUI is just the workflow engine. The quality of our outputs will depend on the models and resources we plug into it. So what do we have? We have models or checkpoints, which are basically the brains that generate images. And we can have stable diffusion, SDXL, I don't know, maybe some specialized models. Can I put any other guy here? How do I even change this? How do I even change this? Most probably I have only this model. All right. So we can have some generalized models like Stable Diffusion 1.5, SDXL, or some specialized models like pixel art diffusion. Of course, if we are trying to make a certain type of results, certain type of images, but if we are using models that are not made for this, yeah, of course, the results will look bad. Then we have LoRa's, which are low rank adapters, which are style or concept add-ons. It will tweak the base model towards a specific look or subject. So we can actually have a pixel art LoRa, which can make our output look like 8-bit without needing full pixel art model. Then we have VAAs, which are variational autoencoders, which handle encoding and decoding between the model's latent space and the final image. Some models will ship with their own good VAAs, others can benefit from a custom VAA, I don't know, to make colors sharper, or specifically in our case for pixel art, you know, we can use, what VAA am I using actually? None, all right. So because I'm using a generic model, they're mostly trained on photos, so pixel art will look like blurry paintings. So what we will do, let's go to Civit AI. Let's go to Civit AI. And we need to install a pixel focused model. So models, character style, concept, clothing, base, all right. If I do now pixel art Excel, okay, we have this. Do I need to log in? Do I need to register to download it? No, I don't need. So can I just download it? I can. Amazing. So let me just put it. First I need to wait for this to download. Now it's downloaded. So I need to copy this. I need to copy my model, which has an extension of, where is it? Save tensors. So I'm going to go to my projects, Conf UI, Conf UI, models, checkpoints, and I put it, oops. Sorry, where's my, here. So I put it here, pixel art. Now, if I come back to here, can I change it? How can I change it now? Title mode, resize, bypass, checkpoints. How can I change this to another checkpoint? Load checkpoint. How can I remove? But if I remove it, how can I add it again? Checkpoint. I need to reload. Maybe I need to reload. Let's see. All right. Now, let's see if we can generate something simple. So what I will do now, I will remove this prompt. I will remove both the positive and negative prompts. And I'm gonna copy this into positive pixel art, 16-bit style. A small red dragon, full body sprite, facing forward, RPG video game character. And I'm gonna put some negative prompts like realistic, 3D render, photo, blurry, smooth shading, high detail, painting, and sketch. So let's see what could not detect. Why? Is this an error now? But I did download it properly. Could not detect model type of. Okay, this is my project directory, conf UI models, checkpoints, pixel art, save tensors. Ah, so if it's small, it's a LoRa, not a checkpoint. Move it to conf UI models LoRa's. All right. So I made a mistake. Projects. Let's go again. Conf UI. Models, checkpoints. Let me move it to LoRa's. And now let me reload this again. What have I moved? Okay, I have only this one left. How can I add a LoRa now? How can I add a LoRa? So let me just make sure. Pixel art Excel. Pixel art base model. So I need a base model for this, right? All right, so I need to also download SDXL. SDXL 1.0. So it must be this one. It must be this one. This is a checkpoint. And what's this? Is this a checkpoint as well? Pixel art. Where is my pixel art? Pixel art. Ah, it's a LoRa. Okay, so I need to download also this. How big is it? This must be a big boy. This must be a big boy. 6.5 gigabytes. All right. While this is downloading, let me try to set up my LoRa's. How can I add a new node here? Maybe like this. No, this zoom in. How do I add? Add node. Right click. Utils. Sampling, loaders, LoRa. Here it is. So this is a new node. It isn't connected to anything right now. So I need to connect it to my pipeline here. So I have model. Where's the model going? It's going to the sampler. So instead of here, you go here, brother. And I need to move this around, and you will go here. And where is the clip going? Clip goes here. But wait. This isn't good. I have two clips. I think it is. I think this goes here. This can I just delete this? Disconnect link. All right. And then two of these are going here. One of them is going to the positive node. The other is going to the negative node. All right. I think this actually isn't that badly connected, because I have my model. My model is going to the LoRa loader, and then my LoRa loader is going to the sampler. Yes. And the clip is going to the LoRa loader, and then this clip is going to the encode text, both positive and negative. The image itself, I can maybe put it at 512, 512, 512. So what do I need? Just to make sure. I need an XL LoRa, SDXL. I have it. LoRa, this is my LoRa. Okay, let's hope this works. Let's hope this works. This is basically what I want. This is what I want. This looks really good. I'm curious as... Oh, actually, I'm curious in the same thing. What is the legality of using this for a commercial product? What is the model using to learn to draw this style? I see it capable of recreating famous people's likeness and copywritten creatures such as Pokemon. Is there a way to know if an image avoids these types? I love how this comment is heavily downvoted, even though it's a pretty common question here. Okay, so what are the people saying? Nothing. So is this what this LoRa has been generating? Actually, some of these images are really cool. Some of these are really, really cool. Also, some of these are gooning materials. So these are the resources. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. I can see all the resources. I think I will make an account here. Man, some of these look quite good. Some of these look quite good. For example, this, if it weren't for some glitches, and if it was a bit cleaner, I would almost think it was real. I mean, now when I look at it better, it does seem like all over the place. But from a distance, it doesn't look half as bad. Okay, can I sort this by likes or something? Newest, most comments. These for the newest. I want to see the best ones. There's no way, man. Wait, my computer is really slow. What the fuck? How much CPU am I using? 9%. Why is it slow? Is it downloading? 3 minutes. Come on, brother. So these are the only two resources used. The stable diffusion model and into darkness LoRa. This almost looks real, man. If I didn't know this was like, what the fuck? This is great. This is really good. Which are the ones that are most collected? There are most probably a lot of gooning material here. I also like this one. Yeah. I like this one. Oh. This looks great. There's also the prompt. Fuck. This is really good. This is a really great reference. How much do I need? 2 minutes. This is the same guy who created Marilyn Monroe. No, this is 3MGC and this is another guy. There's no way this is AI generated without any extra prompts or in paintings. Detailed V, yeah, it's a detailed weaker Laura. Hi there, your image has been added to the outstanding AI art collection. Ah, I should create an account. Maybe not now. What's the state? 1 minute left. All right. Let Orwo documenten Papier. Cool. But I want pixel art. This is actually what I want. I want... wait. Sprites. Do I have sprites here? Why is the computer so slow? Pokemon sprites. No, I don't want Pokemon sprites. I want walking sprite sheet. Sprite sheet, sprite sheet, sprites. Walking sprite sheet, maybe this one. Can I somehow sort it by whatever has most likes? No. Pokemon trainer sprites. I mean, I don't want to copy the Pokemon style, the Pokemon aesthetic, but walking sprite sheets. This isn't right. I mean, this isn't what I want. This isn't what I want. Wait, pixel characters maybe. Pixel characters. Pixel art. This is what I want. Ah, 2D pixel toolkit. 2D pixel toolkit. Okay. So there is another model that I can use for this, which is the Indigo Furry Mix, all right? And I'm using this 2D pixel toolkit. All right. Oh, we have it. We have it. Let's install it now. So what I need to do is, let me show you just a second. So here is my, no. Here is my checkpoint. So I need to move it to the conf UI. Let me just find it here somewhere. projects, conf UI. So this is my conf UI. Then I need to go to models, checkpoints, paste it here. All right, refresh. Changes you might not be saved. I don't want to be saved. Here, let's try to run this. Okay, it's going. So here's the sampler. It's building. Let's see. Please. Give me something good. Give me something good. It's good. It's good. But maybe I need, wait, let's make sure. Let's see what has been generated here at the, let's try to reference it. Give me something really simple. I don't want these advanced prompts. I want maybe this dog. I don't think this will work because I'm using a completely different model. What model is this? This must be one. So it's only built on top on SDXL. So maybe this will work actually. Let's see. So this is the positive prompt. This will be the negative one. Run. So I also need to change some other config. This is not. Steps 28, CFG scale will be 5. All right, steps 28. All right, what else do I have? Oh no, the seed. Now let's run it. Let's hope we get something good now. Oh, for some reason my computer went into overdrive. For some reason my computer went into overdrive. Let me close all my tabs that I'm not using in hopes of reducing the impact. So most probably I will generate all of this off stream, and then yeah, man, it's too slow. Can I go back? So most probably I will generate my sprites offline, and then this is what I want. Pixel art Excel. This is actually what I want. Can I open this in a new tab? This as well. What else do I have? These are some enemies, which could be good. Some camels and shit. Wait. Let's do this again. Paste. sorry if I'm triggering you, if I'm not using any shortcuts. I'm massaging my scalp while with the other hand I'm working on this. All right, CFG scale 7. What does this even mean? The classifier free guidance scale balances creativity and adherence to the prompt. Higher values results in images more closely matching the prompt. So let's put it at 7. What else do I have? 20 steps. There is a seed. Let's reduce the number of steps. And let's run it. Give me something good. Wait, I think I need to make this image a lot bigger. Well, what's the size of this image? Gray background, simple background, standing. What's the size of this image? So let's put this at 1024. 1024 here as well. And let's hit another time. Run. What is BBB? This model will help you create voluptuous bodies. All right, I don't want voluptuous bodies. It doesn't work as good as I hoped it would work. Have I connected this properly? Because the LoRa loader should create the model plus clip directly from the checkpoint loader. And the output of this should feed our sampler and our encoders and prompts. I'm missing something here. Can I generate Pikachu? Let's see. All right, so SDXL. So this might. Oh, okay. So let's copy this. Let's see if I'm gonna generate the same thing as this user has. So I'm putting the same positive and negative prompts. CFG scale 725 steps sampler. Can I create another sampler? Sampling. Right, so I can have another sampler. The sampler is DPM++. All right, let's try this one. Let's see what I'm gonna get, what I'm gonna provide, and then I can do something else. Well, to be honest, it doesn't look that bad. There are some glitches. I can see them. Nothing I can't fix in post-production. But this Pikachu is actually quite nice. I don't know why mine isn't as good as this one. That's my problem. Is it sampler? Let's create another sampler. Add a node, sampling, custom sampling, samplers. No, this is not a... No, this is not the thing I want. Add node, sampling. So there's the advanced case sampler. It's the same thing. Ah, all right. So here's the sampler. Wait. Let me delete this. DPM. What's the name of this guy? DPM++ 2M Karas. Do I have this sampler? DPM MM Karas. Where are you? So let's put DPM adaptive. Maybe it will work. Seed. Let me copy the same seed. Paste. All right, let's run it. Why is my seed random? What? Okay, let's see what happens, and then I'm gonna change it. I mean, worst case scenario, I'm gonna generate a bunch of sprites and I'll edit them manually, which isn't bad on its own. I mean, either way, I wanted to edit them on my own, so come on. Okay, will the Pikachu look somewhat similar to the one that I have there? What? Why is Pikachu so angry? But why does it have two tails? No. This is... Ah, this one has two tails. So it looks somewhat similar. So let's say this is a partial success. Let me try to do another one. So what is the prompt for this, man? Maybe let's try this. Let's try this. No prompts, all right. Keep your secrets. Something went wrong. Pixel art. A cute, happy corgi. All right, let's do this one. I'm just gonna reduce the size for this. It does take a lot of time to generate images. Most probably, as I said, I will do them off screen. And let's run this. So it's 20 nodes, the scale should be 8, 20 steps, Euler A. Ah shit, I should change the sampler to use Euler A. Also there's no seed, so I assume I will get something different than this one. Woman clothing anime woman. Costume man, animal, armor, transportation, architecture, city. Wait, let me see if I can generate city. Modern art. What about this? Most comments. Let's see. It's really slow. Actually, I'm gonna kill it. Wait, let me kill it. How much did it take? 29, 44, 70, so even more than a minute sometimes. All right, stop server. Now my computer should be a bit faster, hopefully. Most commented. Let's look at the newest ones. Three days ago, 4 days ago. What is some North Korean? Some North Korean pixel art. Where are the characters? So these are some sprites, which are quite interesting, but there's no prompt. Actually, there is some prompt. All right, maybe I'll use it. Is there a better one? Pixel art. Maybe I should also write sprites. I mean, this one seems like the one that's used the most. Yeah, the other ones. What if I write sprites? Sprites, yeah, none of these are. Wait, Pokemon Sprites XL. No, I don't think any of these are. Yeah, no. Is this a lure or a model? This is quite good. So, wow, some of these are quite good, man. So this must be a model. Is this a model? No, this is Allura. Interesting. Okay, let me play with this a bit. Hopefully I'm gonna create something that looks pixel art, diffusion, Excel. Maybe I should download this model and then have these two. Okay, I'm gonna try both of this. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one. And hopefully we will have something by then. Thank you and bye.